Kwa kanyo ni jagoro machon mar KANU Nick Salat kawuono donje duond buch UDA. Oluwo ndach jotelo mamoko mowuok Kaluo mano riwore gi duond burano odiochieng' manyoro. Salat owacho ni oriwore gi UDA en owuon maonge ng'ama ochune. Ne otelo ne jakanyo mamoko mag duond burano moting'o Betty Adera, Frank Bogo e kinde mamoko bende. Jagoro mar UDA Cleophas Malala norwakogi kowacho ni ok giketho duond buch KANU mak mana ni jokanyo mag KANU emoriwore kodgi. Omedo seyo ng'anyo mar Azimio madhi nyime gwenge moko pacho kae.
You're good to go? Delewa KTN. KANU Nairobi branch chairperson. My focus when I took over office as Secretary General of UDA was to ensure that I build UDA to a party that is going to be admirable across Africa, a party that is going to have a national face, a party that is going to accommodate all Kenyans. All walks of life in Kenya will come and join our party. This is just a process that is yet to achieve its climax. Today, members of the KANU party have felt that UDA party has got unique attributes that have attracted them to us.
Nobody has been forced to come here. We are here on our own volition, and therefore, once that rallying call that we had as a party was lost, we couldn't wait. So we've decided that the party of choice that we will join, and don't look at this team alone, SG, we are many. These are only a sample of the people who are willing and ready to join you. And given a chance, you will see a big number of KANU members who are willing to join UDA.